Hello, Sean from the AV King here. We're just going to show you this install we've just done. Got the Epson projector up there, a 16:9 fixed frame screen here. Down here we've got the HDMI wall plate, so that cable goes up to the projector. So we'll just plug in this fly lead here and we'll show you how to connect it up so your laptop image can shine up through the projector here. Just plug in a HDMI cable like that, and there you have it. It's coming straight up on there. This particular room, we've got the audio coming through the projector, and then on the remote we can do volume up and down, and we've got this on automatic source search, so if that was off you'd have to press the HDMI button for the projector to go to the HDMI input. And there you have it, quick demo video of the Epson projector.